Alam nyo ba, hindi lang EV at hybrid ang efficient? Kung budget conscious ka, may solid choice ka pa rin. Ito ang internal combustion engine, ICE or simple gas-powered cars. Pero ano-ano nga ba yan sa Toyota? Let's check it out. Wigo, 5-seater, matipid sa gasolina, and easily has the lowest cost of ownership. Perfect for the first-time car owners. Race, 5-seater, SUV feel, tipid at hindi mataas ang fuel consumption. Toyota Vios, a solid choice, 5-seater, matibay at subok na pang-araw-araw. Toyota Avanza, 7-seater, people and cargo hauler, swak sa outing and long drives. From compact to family drives. May Toyota na bagay sa'yo, pang araw-araw man o pang long drive. Hi, I'm Jonathan Ballester, your marketing professional at Toyota Santa Rosa. Visit us today.